Meteor is a framework for building incredible web applications. It lets you build sophisticated interfaces users have come to expect, but in a fraction of the time that used to be required. Meteor is a full-stack framework. This means it gives you the technologies required in the browser as well as on the server to provide a complete application environment. Let's take a tour of some of the key technologies. On the server, Meteor runs on top of Node.js, a popular I/O framework for writing JavaScript applications. The Node.js framework, in turn, runs on top of Google's V8 JavaScript engine. This is the same JavaScript engine that ships with the Google Chrome browser. This means Meteor is written in JavaScript, and so are your applications. Meteor has out-of-the-box integration with the MongoDB database. MongoDB is a document-oriented database made by the MongoDB company. It makes it easy to model, store, and query your data. Meteor takes the integration a step further by enabling you to publish data from your Mongo database in real time to connected browsers. Let's try it out. In the browser on the left, I'll create a new list. Did you see what happened? The list is immediately visible in the other browser's user interface. But how did that happen? Well, traditional web applications use the stateless HTTP protocol, requiring you to refresh the page to get new data. But Meteor instead maintains an open connection between the server and connected clients. This lets Meteor pass messages back and forth between the client and the server at any time. These messages are passed using a brand new wire protocol called DDP. The server's Mongo driver can then publish the data to other connected clients. You may have noticed that when we insert new records, the user interface is updated immediately, even before the server responds. This is because our user interface is using a local database that's running in the browser itself. It's called MiniMongo, and it gives you almost the entire MongoDB API right in the browser. We can insert, update, and write our queries directly against this local cache, and let Meteor take care of syncing the data with the server. As we insert or update records in the local cache, the Meteor user interface system reacts, automatically re-rendering the parts of the page that need to be updated. This works because of a sophisticated but simple-to-use templating system that ships with Meteor. The Meteor development environment is state-of-the-art. Working with JavaScript on the client and the server enables a completely new way of writing applications. The packaging system lets you quickly add functionality to your application. And unlike other web package systems, Meteor packages can include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that, of course, can run on the client or on the server. It turns out Meteor itself is written as a series of well-organized packages. Tying our application and packages together is a full-featured build and linker system. We can see the build and link process happen automatically in development. As I make changes to my files, you can see the browser is updated automatically. Once you get used to this, it'll be hard to go back. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Meteor and its ecosystem. It's time to install Meteor and begin creating the next generation of applications.